What is a goal if not a promise? And what is our promise worth if we do not keep it? Water, our most precious resource. Only 0.5% of the Earth's water is readily available for human consumption. Yet we live in a world of unquenchable thirst, where every nation must drink from the same well. Today, 40% of the world's people are affected by water scarcity. Climate change, one of the greatest challenges of our time, is accelerating catastrophic water events at an unprecedented rate. Shocks of drought and deluge unleash their devastation. While population growth increases demand for water, food, and energy, rivers dry up and no longer reach the sea. Today, our promise is at risk. We, as the heads of state and government of the high-level panel on water, have 3 calls to action. Turn it off, turn it on, turn it up. The first, turn off our denial of a global water crisis. Turn off that faucet and turn off the waste. Turn off pollution and destruction of our watersheds. Turn off the bacteria that harm our children. Turn off the path to fetching water. Turn to a path to education. Next, we need to turn it on. Turn on solutions. Turn on ideas. Turn on innovation. Turn on investments in infrastructure, sanitation, ecosystems management, and resilience. Turn on our political will to make the hard decisions about how we understand, value, and manage water. Turn up the urgency. Turn up the volume on the water dialogue. Turn up the intensity to keep our water promises. Turn up the heat on those who misuse water. Turn up the funding to finance universal access to water. Turn up the value we place on water. This is our defining moment. Water has forced itself to center stage. The UN Water Action Decade has begun. The world urgently needs us to keep our promise. We must all take action. Do you value water? Then join us. Turn it off, turn it on, turn it up.